Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss the CueCard from January to April 2025 speaking topics. So the CueCard is describe an occasion that you lost something in public. You should say what you lost, when and where you lost it, what did you do to find it, and explain how you felt about it. So let's begin. Well, losing items is a part and parcel of daily life, and many people, including myself, have a tendency to misplace everyday items like keys, wallets, etc. due to distractions or carelessness. Now let's pause for a coffee break with Empress Farms. If you're stressed about your IELTS exam, try Empress Farms coffee. Its bold flavor with pureness is the perfect companion for your English learning journey. You can order now on Amazon. Link is in the description below. Now let's continue. Like last year, I attended a friend's wedding and unfortunately I lost my wallet during the event. The wallet was black with a prominent means large, Puma logo on it, and it contained around 3000 rupees along with some important cards and identification documents. Identification documents could be your PAN card, your Aadhaar card, or any card which contains your photograph. I vividly remember the wedding was held in a beautiful outdoor venue and there were many guests present. I realized that my wallet was missing when I reached into my pocket to pay for taxi for a friend. As soon as I realized that I had lost my wallet, I immediately started to retrace my steps, trying to remember where I had been throughout the evening. Retrace means go back. Okay. Initially, I began by asking my friends if they had seen my wallet or if I had accidentally left it with them. Furthermore, I also checked the lost and found at the venue and spoke with the event staff to see if anyone had turned it in. Turned it in means returned it back. Despite my efforts, I couldn't find it anywhere. Losing my wallet made me feel quite sad and anxious. Anxious means quite jittery. The money was important, but what worried me more were the identification documents and cards that were in the wallet. I was concerned about the potential hassle. Hassle means trouble of replacing them and the risk of identity theft. Identity theft means that someone can use your ID, okay, and try to steal things. In the end, I had to accept that my wallet was gone and took steps to cancel my cards and replace my IDs. It was a valuable lesson. Valuable means important in being more careful with my belongings, especially in crowded places. So this was the cue card. I hope you liked this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.